show. We're going to start off the day with shout-outs, starting with Kylie.
I give my shout out to Hot Chick.
Hot Chick is a little annoying boy. I'll give my shout-out to a tongue-piercing devil, Christian. I'm going to give my shout-out to What's Up, Chicken Butt. That's
I'm giving my shout out to Taylor Swift because
she's.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna give mine out to Taylor Swift.
Yeah,
I called it. She was on Ryan Seacrest's show this afternoon, and she's on the cover of the new Cosmo Girl.
I give one to Carrie Underwood.
Just let Meg give her.
I give a shout out to Mark Twain.
Awesome.
He was a scientist.
Okay.
So yeah.
I thought you were an
And-
author.
And I give an anti-shout out to Ryan Seacrest. Lily.
Didn't he get attacked by sharks?
I don't care.
Okay.
I wish he did.
Okay, now we're gonna start with some embarrassing stories by Madison.
Well, today, the next kid named Josh, and he's really creepy. I like to call him the number of the clan of the Geek Squad. And well, we were walking back from lunch to our lockers, and he had his friend slap my butt. And then in study hall, he said to me, and he was all nervous, and he's like, "Oh, I meant to hit your back." And then he didn't look at me the rest of the study hall.
I was a 7th grader.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's do a rewind on those faces. Okay, now we're gonna get started with the object of today. We're having a game day.
The game is called Elephant Here, and the object of the game is like everyone wraps up a gift. It could be junk. It could be either junk or it could be something that you just don't want anymore. And you wrap it up so people think it's nice, and then they pick one, and you can keep what you get, or you can the person that goes after you can take it from you.
Okay, so everybody put your foot in. We're putting our feet into
We have numbers.
No, I have numbers. I'll do numbers.
Wait, get your numbers.
Sit down.
Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start it again. Yeah.
Where's numbers?
Just dig around in there. They're there.
Okay, so we've got 5 people. Number 1 will go first.
I have like 2. I have 2.
You have 2. You should put that one.
Yeah, you have. Maybe you might have 2.
There are people in
No, I have an F.
2. I'm 5. I didn't get.
Somebody doesn't have one.
I have Z.
I made 4.
You have 2, Lily.
Oh, I'll just go whatever. Okay, did you hit one? Yeah. Okay, I'm going first. I'm number 5.
I'm number 4.
I'm number 3.
Okay, so I'm number 5. Starting off, I'll pick a gift. Wait, and nobody different shout out. And you can't pick one. Fred. If you have not seen his web shows, go to Fred. Just go ahead. Fred videos.
You cannot pick your own one.
I'll pick this one because it has an interesting cover to it, a penny. Let's see if that symbolizes anything. Now who's next? Who's number 2?
Me.
Then you can either steal this from me or pick one out of the batch.
Can I wait for you to open it?
I got
No, open the box. That's not really what's in there.
maple syrup. No. I know. Oh, I've got some Hampton moisturizer. I've got some beautiful necklaces. I've got a letter. My mother always told me to read the card first, so oh well. Oh, cookies. Hey, those are Starburst. This is not junk. I picked a good one. That's the one I was gonna pick. A fork. A pen. Wow, it was a big batch in here. A hotel key card. And some themages. I don't know what these things are. So I got some of them.
I'm so
A Target sticker and some tattoos.
Oh, wait,
so someone could either steal this from. I'm going to steal it from. No, it's only the person that goes before you that you can steal from.
You mean after?
Yeah. Okay.
No one went before you.
Yeah. Read the card. Alright, Lily, go ahead now. It's a red ribbon. I am 2 of 3. Okay, go ahead, Lily.
Go ahead, Lily.
You could use it for next time, and you can grab the
You can open it up. Oh, it's cool. It's reversible.
I like reversible wrap. Wait. What does it say? Okay, guys, I think we need to...
You have to use these 2 items to give advice. You have to put them together.
Oh, you can't open it.
Why? You don't know what ask
Why is it from you? I'm guessing
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
What does that mean? This one is
I don't
stupid.
know. Is it an inside joke that I don't know about?
Okay, so you're gonna open it. It's stupid.
Guys, move back.
Move back.
Show your. Alright.
Hey, dare button?
Yeah, okay. Stay on that. Oh, it's my turn apparently.
So, wait, hold on, Lily.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Here to be a star.
Now put the boa on.
Okay. I'm gonna take.
I feel a little bit like Dave Dave.
I'm gonna take your guys' stuff.
Okay, rip it open. Go ahead. Don't be afraid. Go for it. And sit down. That's a good thing. Plus it's a... Oh. I tell you, I like a bag of pretty old.
I got a white.
It's old, don't eat it. Those aren't old, though.
Here's a Twizzlers.
Halloween
A
candy,
wrapper.
And a wrapper. Some more wrappers. Stuff it all.
Fans decided to put some junk in there.
You got some nerds.
And some open nerds. We put our mouths on.
Isn't that fun?
I've heard those things.
I got a real nice gift apparently.
That's the point of the game. Alright, I know your number 3. Can you steal next? Or we can't steal it, so you have to pick one.
No, please steal mine. Take it. You know you
No,
want
you can't,
it.
because it's from her and Kayla.
Like, why don't you come up and pick a different?
No, Kylie.
I'm gonna pick
No, that was the bad gift for Kylie.
Oh well. Bad gift for Kylie.
Not too late to trade it in.
I would take it. If someone said a bad gift for me, I'd be like, okay.
No, we'll get on the mat. Look at this. Oh, look at this. That was a bad gift on right here. It was a bad gift.
Now go and trade yours, because that was a bad one.
No, we'll have extras that I can. I'm next. Number 4, Kayla, come on down. Lily, oh, you're wearing it good, because you're daring to be a superstar. That doesn't sound too good. I choose this one. Make always 10. Here,
Wait. Yeah, those come together. Wait, we gotta face this and get on here because otherwise can't see.
I don't know who it could be from. Maybe it's from Grandma.
Everyone at the same time.
Maybe it's from Grandma. Oh, got my golly. Come on, golly. Let's go. Is it a pillbox? All I need is...
Oh my god.
Okay, Kayla, next year. I feel so old with this.
Here, Kayla, throw it around so you can see the thing. And back up a little bit.
Rick. You guys up here tube sock. Here, you can have those.
No, they're good.
I'll take yours. Here, you can have your gift. Okay, now, Kylie, is it your turn? Everybody go?
Meg, you can go, guys.
Now, take another gift. Somebody. No, I will. Somebody go.
Give Meg one, though, because she got a bad present.
You know, those shirts are probably only going to be for you, so if they don't get picked over, they're probably for you.
I don't want shirt.
Which one? It's awful. It's up to me and you.
Give her the Hello Kitty one, because she didn't get anything good.
It doesn't mean it's good just because it's in a big bag, let me tell you that. So, ring? I'm going to keep this. Look at the rings, Kayla. I'm so rings. Look at the rings.
Oh.
What are they? It's justified. It's justified.
Awesome.
Okay. No, she doesn't. That's not true.
Yeah, let's get her.
Wait.
Okay,
I want to see.
Dora rings. These are for you.
I always wanted some of these.
It's a pineapple.
Pineapple.
I remember that really.
Nice. I don't want
It's
to.
got, it's ice cream. Everyone, take a free shirt. They're only for you, Kayla, so.
Yeah, really.
Kayla's all for you.
Take your pill box.
Didn't you say?
I said you bring bowling. Okay, let's move on to.
We got some really crappy stuff. up.
I know. That's the point of the game.
To our next game.
Wait,
Well,
hold on,
I don't think it's time
hold on,
limit
chocolate.
That's what
Who's actually gonna keep
I
it?
did. Time. 10:23. Time. Say your goodbyes.
Oh,